Well, there's a few. So I guess the most obvious one is that we can produce the same meat, eggs and dairy that people are accustomed to, and produce them without the CO2 and methane emissions, and without the effects on groundwater pollution, overfishing in the case of seafood, things like that, animal welfare concerns. And so really doing the same thing without the harms. Another benefit that I think is maybe a little bit further off in the future is that it just gives us a little bit more control over the qualities of the food. So what I can imagine, 30 years from now, when cellular agriculture products are common, is, we've got, our traditional steak, we've got, all of these same foods, but we actually have a lot more precise control over everything from, the flavor and the texture, and that sort of, those experiential properties, but then also sort of more, artistic aspects of the food. So I could imagine, what is a sushi chef in 2050 going to be doing? It's going to be a very different job, and kind of blending, tissue engineering and food, and really, being able to create new foods that we don't have today. And so that's maybe the, not as practical and urgent of a benefit, but I think it's one that that's really exciting. And it's one that's going to drive people in this direction once they have kind of the choice between traditional meat and the new versions.